Pump it. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today for a home tour for you guys. Yes, an updated home tour. A lot of my new subscribers, you guys have been requesting for me to do one, so I think I'll come on and show you my DIY home that I have done on a budget. Yes. And if you're new here, go ahead and press that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notified every time I upload another video to share with you all. Alright everyone, without further ado, let's get into my DIY home tour. Yeah, let's get started. Alright everyone, this is my living room. I'm gonna start by giving you guys an overall view of the living room, so I'll just go right around. Okay, as you guys can see, I have a gray sectional in my couch, which I like. It's very nice and comfy. I got it from a local furniture store in my area. And my drapes are from Walmart. Yes. The white drapes and the gray ones, they're from Walmart. And I have gray pillows on my couch, which I got from IKEA. I also have white ones, but I don't use those every day. I use the gray ones, and the covers do come off, that they can be washed. Yeah, but I keep my white ones for special occasions, then I put them on the couch. And my area rug is also from Walmart. It's a nice shaggy rug that I got from Walmart. Diva on a budget. Yes, I am. And here's my coffee table that I got from a local furniture store on the low budget. Yes, It's a nice coffee table. It's all white and I have it blinged out with all my DIYs. Everything on here is things that I did myself, yes. And I love this coffee table. And one of my subscribers, a lady I'm subscribed to, Candy Poo Life? Yeah, Candy Poo. She also has the same coffee table as me. And hers is super cute in her home also. And this DIY on the wall with the square mirrors. I have this up here now for 2 years. 2 years, you guys. I made this 2 years ago and it's still there. And guess what? What's holding it up? Command strips. Yes, command strips. Like I told you, I use command strips to hang up all of my DIYs and it's still holding. And over here we have some more little accent pieces that I did. They're so cute. Right here and the tray up on top of this that I got at the garage sale that I use for an end table. Yeah, and I redid it and fixed it up and look how nice it looks. Yes, it does. One man's garbage is another man's treasure. Yeah. Okay, and over here now I have another DIY that I did with the mirrors, and I put the dream sign up there and I placed it above my window because the wall was empty and I wanted something nice to place there, so I made that. And over here I have these two here in the corner, the dream, faith and believe, and then this one over here with the mirrors. Like I told you, my DIY home. Yes, diva on a budget. Make all sorts of decor to spruce up my home and make it look nice. And this one here, the sunburst mirror. And over here I got this little end table from Walmart. And this little square box I made to hold my throw pillow. And I told you my pillows are also here in this basket. I think I got this from Home Goods. And then I have these two little tall candle light things here. And again, this mirror here I did with the crushed glass, and the mirror is from Dollar Tree. Yes. And all the little trinkets I have in this stand that I also received from IKEA. And I keep my DIY supplies down here in the two gray baskets at the bottom. And like I said, I just place some of my DIY stuff in here. All these are things that I have done. And the two wall sconces on the wall that I did. And the two of them, they look so lovely. And of course, like I said before, they're being held up with command strips. Love my command strips from Walmart. And over here I have my television. Now this stand used to be in my hallway by the front entrance with my entry table, but I wanted something taller to put my TV on, so I moved it over here into my living room. And I think it looks very nice on it also. And I just have it on the fireplace channel. Like I told you, it's very cozy. I love this channel. And then I just placed all these things here on the bottom. Some of them are my DIY stuff also. And over here, I have this chair that I got from Walmart. And I have this, what do they call it? The cure cabinet. I have it now. OMG, you guys. I have this for about, oh gosh, about over 25 years. I've had this cabinet. Yeah. And I still hold on to it, and I put my little stuff that I did, my DIY stuff that I have in there. And I got this painting. I got it from IKEA. Yeah, this flower painting above the chair is from IKEA. And I think it looks very nice next to the chair. This area here is new. I had my computer stand here, and then I took it out and placed the seating here instead. And over here I have my dining set. And I have the two mosaic vases that I did on each side, plus the two wall sconces. I absolutely love them. I love the mosaic pieces with the crushed glass, the broken glass. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. And over here I got drapes again from Walmart. Sorry, my drapes here are from Walmart. In the dining area, same gray and white drapes. And then here are my mosaic pieces and the wall sconces that I did. And like you can see, I do the identical thing on each side of my hutch. And here we are back again looking at the view from the living room. Alright everyone, that's the end of my home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as you can see, a lot of things like I told you, I DIY'd myself, or I got things, the furniture stuff I get from IKEA, I get from Walmart, and a local furniture store in my area on the cheap, yes, on the low, budget furniture stores. I go around and I shop and I search for them and I find deals, and that's when I'll purchase. Yeah. So that is everything. Like I said, I shared my changes and updates with you. When I decorate more for the fall, I might come back and do another fall tour. But I just wanted to share with all you, my new subscribers, who keep asking me to do a home tour and show you the things within my home. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY home tour. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.